In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in Dropbox. Dropbox is great for storing documents, photos, videos, and other important files, but if everything is left in one place, it can quickly become messy and hard to manage. A simple organization system makes it much easier to find what you need, save time, and keep your files under control. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few easy ways to organize your Dropbox clearly and efficiently. First, open Dropbox in your browser or app and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the All Files section. This is where you can see everything stored in your Dropbox, and it's the best place to start organizing. The first and most effective method is creating folders. In all files, click Create Folder. Then give your folder a clear name based on the type of files you want to store. For example, you might create folders called Work, School, Videos, or Photos. Using simple, descriptive names helps you recognize folders instantly later. After naming the folder, click Create. Once your folders are ready, start moving files into them. Select a file you want to organize, click Move, choose the folder where it belongs, and then click Move again to confirm. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up a cluttered Dropbox account, especially if you currently have lots of files sitting in the main directory. For even better organization, use subfolders inside your main folders. Open one of your main folders, then click Create Folder inside it. This lets you break things down into smaller categories. For example, inside a work folder, you might create subfolders for reports and presentations. Inside a school folder, you could create assignments and projects. Subfolders make larger collections much easier to manage without changing your overall system. Another helpful tool is sorting. Go back to All Files and click Sort By. From there, you can arrange files by name from A to Z, by date modified, or by size with the largest files first. Sorting doesn't move anything permanently, but it gives you a faster way to scan through your files depending on what you're looking for. You should also rename files properly. Click the three dots next to a file, select Rename, and use clear specific file names. Names like invoice underscore jan2 026.pdf or video underscore project underscore final.mp4 are much easier to understand than vague names that don't tell you what the file contains. Good file names make searching and identifying files much faster. If your files are hard to find, the best fix is to use folders instead of leaving everything in the root directory. If you accidentally move a file, use Undo Move or check the Activity tab to track what happened. And if you notice duplicate files, delete older versions or rename them properly so everything stays clear and organized.